Hey good food lovers, today we're making a true comfort classic, slow cooker chicken cacciatore with potatoes. It's rich, hearty, the chicken falls straight off the bone and the slow cooker does all the work for you. Tap the card above for the full recipe or grab it in the description below. Start by adding in your baby potatoes, about 2 pounds, quartered. Next, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. They'll soak up all that beautiful tomato and wine flavor. Add in 2 carrots, peeled and sliced. Then 1 small yellow pepper and 1 small red pepper, both de-seeded and diced. And 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley for a bit of brightness. Now 5 chicken thighs. Bone-in works best for flavor. Season them with just a pinch of pepper. Add in 1 medium onion, roughly chopped. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil to help everything cook down. If you've got the time, quickly sear the chicken skin side down for about 3 minutes until it's golden, then flip and sear the other side. This adds incredible flavor, but it's totally optional. Arrange the potatoes in a single layer inside a 6-quart slow cooker. Place the chicken right over the top. Pour in 150 milliliters of red wine, or swap for beef broth if you prefer. Add 14 ounces of tomato sauce or passata, followed by 14 ounces of crushed tomatoes. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste go in next. 1 teaspoon of dried basil and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1 crushed beef bouillon cube for extra richness, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. This makes the whole kitchen smell incredible. Add the rest of the ingredients over the chicken, except the olives and mushrooms. We'll add those later. Cover and cook on high for 4 hours or low for 8 until the chicken is tender and falling off the bone. In the last 30 minutes of cooking, stir in the sliced mushrooms and half a cup of black olives. Serve your chicken cacciatore over rice, pasta, or even spaghetti squash. If you want to save this recipe, tap the card above or check out the full printable version in the description. And if you love slow cooker dinners, make sure to like and subscribe. More comfort classics are coming your way.